Welcome back everyone. Today, we are moving to the next part of the execution expression, the declaring type pattern. Now so far, we have been very focused on the return type pattern. We tested specific types, wildcards, packages, sub-packages, all of it. But the declaring type pattern is a completely different dimension. It answers a different question. Which class or classes should the advice apply to? Not what the method returns, but where the method lives. And the declaring type pattern gives you several levels of precision. You can target one specific class. You can target any class in a specific package. You can target any class in a package and all sub-packages. You can even target a class and all its subclasses. Today, we are going to start with the most focused option, targeting one specific class. This is the most precise form of the declaring type pattern. You name the exact class, and Spring will only intercept methods from that class and no other. Let's see how it works. Follow my screen. Alright, let's set up our demo classes first. I am creating two simple DTO classes. First, user DTO. Okay, next add lombok annotations for getters, setters, and constructors. Next, add some fields to the user DTO. Next, create order DTO. Alright, DTOs are done. Now let's move to the service layer. Alright, let's create user service first. Add the add user method. Add some logs. And return the same user DTO object. In the same way, create the order service class. I am going to copy user service and make the minimum necessary changes. Alright, services are ready. Now let's create the controller class. Let's add the createOrder API endpoint to the controller. First, I'll inject the order service and user service into the controller. Add some log statements inside this. Similar way, create the Create User API. Alright, controller is ready. Services are ready. Now let's get to the main part. Alright, now here is the exact scenario we are solving today. We have two service classes, user service and order service, both in the same package. But we only want our aspect to intercept methods from user service. Not order service. Not any other class. Just user service, and nothing else. This is the specific class targeting use case of the declaring type pattern. Alright, let's build the logging aspect step by step. First, let's add the at before advice method. And for now, we will just write the method with all the logging logic inside. We will add the Pointcut expression at the end. Now I'll add a few log statements inside the advice. Also print the method name and class name using the joinPoint object. This helps us identify exactly which method is being intercepted by the aspect. Alright, now let's build the Pointcut expression step by step. Follow my screen carefully. First, modifier. We are omitting this. As we established earlier, no modifier. Next, return type. I want to match all methods regardless of what they return. So we use asterisk. Next, declaring type. This is the main part of today's demo. I want to target only user service. So I pass the fully qualified class name. com.gyan.darpan.service.userservice. After that, method name. I want to cover all methods inside user service. So we use asterisk. And finally, Parameters. Alright, look at the screen carefully. See the declaring type in the Pointcut expression. I have passed the exact fully qualified name of user service. Not user service alone, that would not work. Not a wildcard. The complete path. Gyan Darpan service user service. Every single part of the package path, correct and complete. And this is very important. If even one part is wrong, the Pointcut silently fails. Spring cannot resolve the class. No proxy created, no advice fired. No error. Just silence. Let's hit the user API first. Alright, the aspect did not trigger. Something is wrong with the Pointcut expression. Let's check it. I accidentally typed the wrong package name in the expression. Just one misspelled word, service. Start the application. Hit the user API. Alright, look at the console carefully. The aspect fired. And look at what the logs tell us. First, controller log. Next, aspect log. And this is the important part. Look at the class name printed in the aspect log. com.gyan.darpan.service.userservice. Then, user service log. The actual method ran after the advice. Alright, now let's call the order API. And there it is. Look at the console. Only two logs. Controller log and service log. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today we covered specific class targeting in the declaring type pattern. If this video helped you, please like it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.